Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. The topic is Beyond Sleep Hygiene Evidence Based Behavioral Strategies for Insomnia Management. For patients with chronic insomnia, sleep hygiene alone is usually insufficient. Modern guidelines, including those from the American Academy of Sleep Medicine and the European Sleep Research Society, recommend cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia (CBTI) as the first line treatment because it produces more durable improvements than medications in many patients. The key evidence based behavioral strategies beyond sleep hygiene include: number one, stimulus control therapy. This aims to re-establish the bed as a cue for sleep. Go to bed only when sleeping. Use the bed only for sleep. If unable to sleep within about 15 to 20 minutes, get out of bed and do a quiet activity until sleeping. Wake up at the same time every day. Avoid daytime naps, especially late in the day. Sleep restriction therapy. Number two, sleep restriction therapy or sleep compression. Reduces the time spent in bed to approximate actual sleep time, thereby increasing sleep drive. Number one, calculate average total sleep time. Number two, limit time in bed accordingly, generally not less than 5 to 6 hours initially. Number three, increase time in bed gradually once sleep efficiency exceeds 85 to 90%. Benefits: improve sleep efficiency, reduces prolonged nighttime wakefulness. Caution: use carefully in patients with bipolar disorder, seizure disorders, or occupations requiring high vigilance. Number three, cognitive therapy addresses dysfunctional beliefs such as if I don't sleep 8 hours, I won't function. I will never be able to sleep again. Techniques include cognitive restructuring, reducing catastrophizing, challenging unrealistic sleep expectations. Number four, relaxation training. Useful for patients with physiological hyperarousal. Methods include progressive muscle relaxation, diaphragmatic breathing, guided imagery, mindfulness meditation, and biofeedback. Number five, paradoxical intention. Patients are instructed to try to stay awake rather than trying hard to fall asleep, reducing performance anxiety associated with sleep. Number six, scheduled worry time. For patients whose insomnia is driven by rumination, set aside 15 to 30 minutes during the evening to write down worries and possible solutions. Avoid problem solving after getting into bed. Number seven, mindfulness based therapy. Mindfulness reduces cognitive arousal and emotional reactivity. It has shown moderate improvements in sleep onset latency, sleep quality, and daytime functioning. Number eight, acceptance based approaches. Rather than struggling to force sleep, patients learn to accept temporary wakefulness and reduce anxiety about insomnia. Number nine, circadian rhythm interventions. Morning bright light exposure, evening light restriction, consistent wake time, timed melatonin.